Good morning, students. Welcome back to online learning. I am your social studies teacher. Students, in our previous online classes, we have already learned some topics, that is lesson 4.1, Life in the High Mountains. Some topics in the Himalayan valleys, in the western Himalayas, in the eastern Himalayan region, in the northeastern hilly region. These all topics we have already discussed in our previous online classes. Now, students, take out your social studies book. Look at your book, page number 72. Fifth point, that is Manipur. Manipur is a teeny state with hills, lakes and valleys. Its capital is Imphal. The main occupations of Manipuris are farming, weaving and silk spinning. Their food consists mainly of rice, pulses, fish, potatoes and vegetables. Manipuris are very fond of dancing and singing. Manipuri dance is famous all over India. Manipur. Manipur is a state in northeastern India with the city of Imphal as its capital. It is bounded by the Indian states of Nagaland to the north, Mizoram to the south and Assam to the west. मणिपुर भारत का एक पूर्वोत्तर राज्य है। इसकी राजधानी है इम्फाल। यहाँ के मूल निवासी मितई जनजाति के लोग हैं जो यहाँ के घाटी क्षेत्र में रहते हैं। इनकी भाषा मैथिलेन है जिसे मणिपुरी भाषा भी कहते हैं। मणिपुर हैज़ मेनी वैलीज, हिल्स। People make beautiful articles from bamboo. Imphal is the capital of Manipur. Manipur is a tiny state with hills, lakes and valleys. What is the capital of Manipur? The capital of Manipur is Imphal. The main occupations of Manipuris are farming, weaving and silk spinning. Dash dance is famous all over India. Manipuri dance is famous all over India. Next, Mizoram. Mizoram is another small hill state covered with forest. Its capital is Aizawl. The main occupation of the people here is farming. They grow sugarcane, pulses, maize, tobacco, ginger, etc. The people of Mizoram are called Mizos. A large number of Mizos are educated. They speak English as well as their own Mizo language. Mizos are mostly Christians. Students, Mizoram is a state in northeastern India with Aizawl as its capital city. The name is derived from Mizo, the name of the native inhabitants, and Ram, which means land, and thus Mizoram means land of the Mizos. Within the northeast region, it is the southernmost landlocked state, sharing borders with three of the seven sisters, namely Tripura, Assam and Manipur. मिज़ोरम भारत का एक उत्तर पूर्वी राज्य है। मिज़ोरम एक पर्वतीय प्रदेश है। See, students, the most famous hill of Mizoram are Lusai Hills. People speak Mizo and English. Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram. Dash is the capital of Mizoram, Aizawl. Next, the main occupation of the people is farming. They grow sugarcane, pulses, maize, tobacco, ginger, etc. The people of Mizoram are called Mizos. A large number of Mizos are educated. and they speak English as well as Mizo language. Next, Tripura. Tripura has a number of hills and valleys covered with thick forest. Sal is the most well-known tree of this forest. The main occupation of the people here is farming. They grow jute, vegetables, and many fruits. On the slopes of the hills, there are a number of tea gardens. The capital of Tripura is Agartala. The people of Tripura are good craftspersons. They make beautiful things from cane and bamboo. Women weave beautiful cotton and silk cloth. Tripura is a hilly state in northeast India, bordered on three sides by Bangladesh and home to a diverse mix of tribal cultures and religious groups. The capital of Tripura is Agartala. What is the capital of Tripura? The capital of Tripura is Agartala. Look at your book. Agartala. What is the main occupation of the people here? The main occupation of the people is farming. The state has a tropical savanna climate and receives seasonal heavy rains from the southwest monsoon. Forests cover more than half of the area in which bamboo and cane tracts are common. त्रिपुरा उत्तर पूर्वी सीमा पर स्थित भारत का एक राज्य है। यह भारत का तीसरा सबसे छोटा राज्य है। इसके उत्तर पश्चिम और दक्षिण में बांग्लादेश स्थित है, जबकि पूर्व में असम और मिजोरम स्थित है। अगरतला त्रिपुरा की राजधानी है। बंगाली और त्रिपुरी भाषा दैट इज कोक बोरेक यहाँ की मुख्य भाषाएं हैं। त्रिपुरा का आधे से अधिक भाग जंगलों से घिरा है, जो प्रकृति प्रेमी पर्यटकों को आकर्षित करता है। हैंडलूम यहाँ का मुख्य उद्योग है। People of Tripura make beautiful items from cane and bamboo. Their main languages are Kokborak and Bengal. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. Next, students, turn your page. Look at your book, page number 73. Some common features of the Seven Sisters. One product that has equal importance for all the people in the northeastern states is bamboo. They make their walls of bamboo mats. The mats are then plastered with mud or cement. The tribes of these states are very fond of dancing. On special occasions, they wear their traditional dresses. Women love to wear colorful clothes. They wear skirts made of colorful striped cloth. Women wear their skirts and shawls themselves. See, students, what are the common features of Seven Sisters? That they give equal importance for all the people of North Indian states. And what is that one product? Is bamboo. They make their walls of bamboo mats. The mats are then plastered with mud or cement. And these tribes of these states are very fond of dancing. Occasionally they will wear traditional dresses. Women loves to wear colorful clothes, wear skirts made of colorful striped cloth. Farming is the main occupation of this people. Many of the tribes do a kind of farming called jhum. They clear forest from a place, then they burn the grass and other vegetation. They grow crops on this cleared land. They till the land for a year or two and leave it till the land gets covered with weeds. Then they clear another area of forest to grow crops. Clearly, it is a wasteful method of agriculture. Large area of forest are destroyed in this way. Fortunately, the tribal people are now becoming wiser. They are taking to modern methods of agriculture. Students, I will show you one picture, this one. Jhum cultivation. Jhum cultivation are known as slash and burn agriculture in the process of growing crops by first clearing the land of trees and vegetation and burning them thereafter. The burned soil contains potash which increases the nutrient content of the soil. These states have been attracting common features of Seven Sisters. These states have been attracting young travelers, explorers from all over the world with different tribal and ethnic groups, religious festivals, and fabulous landscapes. Farming is the main occupation of the people, and many of the tribes do a kind of farming called jhum. What they do, they first clear the forest from a place, then they burn the grass and other vegetation. After that, they grow crops on this clear land. They till the land for a year or two and leave it till the land get covered with weeds. Then they clear another area of forest to grow crops. Clearly, it is a wasteful method of agriculture. Large areas of forest are destroyed in this way. Fortunately, the tribal people are now becoming wiser. See बेटा students, झूम कृषि एक आदिम प्रकार की कृषि है जिसमें पहले वृक्षों तथा वनस्पतियों को काटकर उन्हें जला दिया जाता है और साफ की गई भूमि को पुराने उपकरणों से जुताई करके बीज बो दिए जाते हैं। फसल पूर्णतः प्रकृति पर निर्भर होता है और उत्पादन बहुत कम हो पाता है। Now see students, look at your book, page number 73, points to remember. First point, the people living in mountain valleys grow their crops in terraced fields on the slope of the hills. Where they grow their crops? They grow their crops in terraced fields. Besides farming, these people grow fruits also. Rearing goats and sheep is another important occupation of the people living in hills. Starting from the west, the various regions on the northern mountains are first Kashmir, second Himachal, third Garhwal and Kumaon, fourth Sikkim, fifth Darjeeling, sixth Arunachal Pradesh, seventh Assam, eighth Meghalaya, ninth Nagaland, 10th Manipur, 11th Tripura and 12th Mizoram. The different tribes in hilly areas speak their own languages and follow their own social customs. Thank you students. I hope you all understood this lesson.